We bought a new paper towel holder, and I really like the ones that mount underneath the cabinetry here. It just keeps it out of the way, keeps it a little bit more off the countertop, where if you have the opportunity to be able to mount one off the countertop, it's a much better setup. So this one here, I really like it. It does come with the hardware in case you want to hard mount it into a wall or into cabinetry that has thick enough hardware. But I really like the adhesive that comes with these as well. And I'm really glad that it has the multi-purpose tools that come with it. So either adhesive or you can do the mounting hardware. This one here, put the 3M tape down on it and secure it. You want to make sure that you're pushing it all the way down so that it is fully secure. And then you want to prep your surface as well. So I went through and I wiped down the underside of this cabinet with a towel with some sanitizer on it or rubbing alcohol. And that just makes sure that it is free of any debris or any oils that might be here, especially with this being near the stove cooking surface. There could have been some residue on there. Apply the sticker on one side. It has just two different sides. So take the adhesive cover off, put the adhesive down on this side, and then get ready to mount it. Pull the other side off. Just make sure that you're being careful with it and lifting up the adhesive so you're not ripping the little bit of foam. Pull that off. Get down a little bit lower. I had removed the adhesive off the old one and went through and scraped it, and to be able to get it off, I went through and just took a plastic scraper to be able to pull it off to prep the surface. And then you just go down here and make sure that when you're putting it in that you are giving yourself enough backspace so that your paper towel roll will sit on there. Measure to make sure. I already have the area marked so that I can make sure that it is level and get it lined up, and then push it in place. Once you push it in place, the adhesive is strong enough that you're not going to pull it back off right away. So make sure that you are measuring, have everything lined up so that it is in a linear fashion and is exactly where you want it to be. And then once you do that, go ahead and just hold it for 30 seconds, pushing on it. If you wanted to have something that applied it, but just with your hands, push on it for 30 seconds, and then it's ready to go. On this one here, the paper towel, these just pull out to be able to allow the paper towel roll to get in place there. It is that easy. So before we installed it here, we made sure that we tested it on a full roll, since the one that we currently had was only a half roll, and it worked out great. So it does say that it's compatible with many different sizes of rolls. So we'll be ready to go as soon as I'm done holding it. It just goes in one side, and then you just pull out the other side to be able to get it to mount in there. And now you have a nice paper towel roll installed.